Alright, so I'm about to do my hair. I'm about to wash it, and I'm gonna show you everything that I'm using today. Alright, y'all, so I went and got this shampoo conditioner. I've never tried it before, but me and my roommate was in the beauty supply store and realized that we could actually understand and pronounce a lot of the ingredients on this bottle. So we're gonna try she out. This is gonna be the braid gel I'm gonna be using today for my Bohemian braids. This is the edge control I recently started using. Love it a lot. I need my Nairobi for my human hair pieces, and then I'm also going to be using tea tree oil and mint inside of my hair while I have this install, and I'll probably make a little concoction inside this water bottle and spray my hair every single day. This is the hair that I got. It has a lot of freaking hair in it, but of course we have another backup just in case, because we don't want to go back to the beauty supply store. And then I'm going to be using these pieces and I'm going to be braiding them in. So yeah. So I'm about to blow dry my hair. I'm using this Bumble and Bumble Heat Shield Protector Spray in my hair. And then we're going to use my trusty blow dryer. When I tell you I've had this blow dryer for years. Alright, we all blown it out. I can trim it. Am I going to? No. So I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my hair with this tea tree and mint oil that I got from Red. And we're going to pre-part my hair. I got number 2 hair and number 2 braiding hair. But obviously the braiding hair is a little lighter. But I'm digging it because it's giving highlight. But yeah, this is what we got so far. So right here, 3 a.m. I mustered up the courage. I get up a lot in the middle of the night to finish my hair, so I got halfway. And then I got up around 7 a.m. to kind of finish the rest of the hair. When I tell you, I was racing the clock to get to work. So when I went to work today, I had no makeup on, but my hair was done. And that braid gel is basura. It is garbage. I do not like it. The one that's sitting next to my thigh is the one that I ended up using, and I will let you guys know which one that is. Right here, I'm spraying the human hair pieces because this kind of helped me get them to where they wasn't fuzzy, to where I could grab them in a decent manner and move faster. When they get fuzzy, you really can't. It starts to separate and it gets really, really annoying. So this is how they look on the bed. So it has to be a direct swiggle. It can't be all fuzzy and stuff. And here is the finish line. We right here, y'all. When I tell you, I kind of do enjoy doing my hair. It's really soothing. It's just time consuming. That is the only thing about it. But I think I might offer some hair services this year. We'll see. We'll see. But thank you for watching this video and doing my hair with me. Ew. So here we go, taking the flexi rods out. This right here is the most satisfying part. I did go to work with my hair uncurled. So what you see on the right is actually how I wore my hair for like a day and a half. And then I came home and I eventually went and got it curly. But yes, this is the finished look, y'all. I'm so proud of this braid style that I did. It feels so good. My braids do not hurt. And a couple of these new braiders inspired me to start braiding again. So, ew. Last but not least, a little store run with one of my favorite coworkers trying out the new Fenty blush. Love it. Love it.